Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss Python functions. In this video, we are going to learn what is function, syntax of the function and one simple example. First of all, what is your function? Functions are nothing but a small program or a subprogram which is used to do a particular task. The actual definition of the function is, it is a block of statements that is used to do a specific task. So why we need this function? For example, the large programs or a complex program, it is very difficult to write and understand. So that we are dividing these types of programs into several blocks, several small programs. So it makes it easy for us to write as well as understand. So whenever we need a particular task, we will call that particular function alone. For example, if you take the e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart, like that, in that there are so many tasks available. For example, for creation of the user ID, it is a one type of task. So after that we have to display the specific product, that is a different type. The next one is another task is the payment. Okay, so like that there are so many tasks available. So if you want to write in a single program, it is very difficult and it is very lengthy also. So that we have to divide these tasks into several subtasks. For creation of the user ID, we have to write in a function, and for the payment we have to write in another function. So like that we have to write in a different subprograms or a functions. So whenever we need this, we can call a particular function. Okay, hope you understand this example. The next one is reuse the code again and again. Will be omitted by using these functions. For example, if you are writing 6 to 7 codes, so that particular code is need in our program in 5 to 6 places. Then why we have to duplicate these 6 to 7 lines in all our program? Okay, so instead of that we have to write these 6 to 7 lines in a separate programs or a function. So whenever we need those particular lines, we simply call that particular functions. That is enough. Okay, so these are all the needs why we are writing the functions. Okay, the next one is the syntax of the functions, how to write the function. So actually it is divided into two parts. The first one is function declaration and the second one is calling that particular function. Okay, first we will see the function declarations. For the function declaration, you have to use the keyword def, D-E-F. Okay, you have to use this keyword. So after that you have to give the function name. So it is your choice, you can give any function name. Okay, so within the bracket, that is open bracket, and within the brackets you have to give the arguments or parameters. So these are all nothing but if you want to pass any values to the functions, you can use these arguments. It is an optional one. If you want to pass any values, then you can use these argument, otherwise just leave it. Okay, so after that you have to give the colon. Okay, it is necessary. Okay, then the function bodies are nothing but this is the actual code. Okay, so this code will be written under this particular line. Okay, this after the def. Okay, after declaring your def and function name and arguments, so after that you have to write the actual block of statements. So this will be written one tab indentation. Okay, So then you have to use the statement return. It is also optional. If the function returns any values, then only you can use the return statement. Otherwise, don't use this return statement. Okay, so this is the function declaration. The next one is how to call the functions. So here we have already written one functions. Now I want to call those functions for my program. Okay, so how we are going to call the function means it is very simple. Just you have to use the function name. So here you have declared that in a function declaration you have to use the same name for calling the function. That's all. So if you want to pass any values, then you have to give the values in the arguments place or the parameters. Okay, otherwise leave it. Okay, we will see one simple example. So here you can see I have created one function. Okay, I have used the keyword def and my function name is my_fun. So here I have not passed any values to my function. So that is simply I have opened and I have used the close parenthesis. Okay, I have used this colon. So here I have just printed welcome to the world of Python. That's all. Okay, I have used only one statement as my function body. And also this function does not return any values, so that I have not used any return statement for my function. Okay, so this is the actual function. Now I should call this function to print the welcome to the world of Python, to display. Okay, so for that I have used the function name. My function name is my_fun. So I have used that name to call my function. Okay, so in the upcoming video, that is Python functions part 2 video, so we will see the types of functions, that is how to pass the arguments, how to use the return statement, then recursive. So all those things we will discuss on our part 2 video. Okay, hope you understand this video. Thank you.